Alrighty, Bradford White, we've had 21, 22, 23 years together. So I appreciate your hard work. You keeping my water warm. Thank you. Hey, so my water heater doesn't work anymore. So we're getting a new one. Yay. Excited for the new one. But that means you're going to be leaving us. So thank you for all your work. You did good. Hi, my name is Alicia. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. So want to give a shout out to my 21, 22, 23, maybe 24-year-old water heater. We've had it for a while. It doesn't work anymore. So it's about to go to the big water heater in the sky. I don't know what water heaven there is, but wherever it is you're going, thank you for all the memories and keeping my water warm and keeping us warm. You're the best. Yeah, I just think you should show gratitude and be grateful for everything, even the little things, even the water heater that keeps your water warm. Appreciate you. Alrighty. Alright, let's give it a little selfie hug. Y'all probably think I'm crazy, but I just like to have fun. But seriously, later, Gator. Alrighty. You were a good water heater. You still are. Even though you don't work anymore. It's all good. You did your job. Alright.